So far, I like it. I think it's pretty creative and, again, right on point on the topics that I'm interested in, which is packaging. So
this conference today has been phenomenal. The two opening speakers were engaging with really good content, and that's been really exciting. And we've gotten one new label supplier out of all the connections, and then we've had a lot of opportunity to learn from other suppliers and open up channels for communication.
The program has been great. I will say I'm definitely super impressed by it. The speakers have been incredible. I've learned so much the entire summit.
I like it. I think the level of presenters are leaders in their field, and hearing about other consumer packaged goods companies' issues, and we're all facing very similar things.
The level of speakers is wonderful, and that's because it's very specific for the industry. It's really dynamic. They find very good speakers, and it's not boring. We don't want boring. It's exciting.